Hi guys, welcome back. Happy new month. So today I'm going to be sharing with us a porridge recipe you've not seen anywhere on the internet. Yes, this is the type that made Esau to sell his birthright. Okay, to start off with, you have your palm oil, red oil, whatever you call it. Put it on fire, add some fresh tomatoes, some fresh pepper and onions, then stir it. Allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. Here I'm going ahead to add some garlic paste. Add garlic paste and stir it. Okay, and here I have a sliced beef and the stock. The beef, I've already eaten more than half of the beef, so I'll just go ahead and use the remaining one. Add your beef stock, add salt to taste, add a little water, cover it and allow it to boil. Here is a potato, very neatly peeled and washed, and after that I'll transfer it to the stew I already made. What I call this stew, whatever. So you transfer it and cover it and allow it to cook. When it has started boiling, I go ahead and add ogirope. This is native spicy, local spice ogirope, and I also go ahead and add some curry powder and some thyme. These are only the spices I'm using to make this stew. The ogirope actually gave it a very unique sweet aroma. Okay, so after it has cooked and my potato is almost done, here I'm going ahead to add some crayfish powder. Okay, add the crayfish powder, stir it and lower the heat. Now finally you go ahead and add some scent leaf. Yes, fresh scent leaf. This scent leaf I was actually gotten direct from the garden, from my farm rather, and it smells so fresh and so nice. Okay, at this point the aroma of this food was already nose blinding. You need to have a taste of this food already. This potato porridge is so tasty and so delicious. Alright, so I'll start it. And our food is ready, so I'll boil some eggs, and that's what I'm going to be eating. Is just extra protein in the food. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment. Thank you.